Hi guys, this is a HIIT beginner workout video and you don't need any equipment for this because I don't have any. This is going to be 30 seconds on and 20 seconds off. I'm going to do a light jog in the 20 seconds rest period. You can do if you want to, or else you can just take a rest. And let's get right into it. Okay, so we are starting the workout with some good old jumping jacks. And also, let me be honest with you guys, I actually added that light jog in 20 seconds because I didn't know what to do with myself in those 20 seconds on camera. So that is exactly how I did it. If you can really totally skip it if you wish to. I don't think anyone needs an explanation on jumping jacks. So the next one coming up is going to be standing abs. I added that exercise because I know some people don't like to get to the ground in the middle of an HIIT workout to do abs. So I added standing abs next. This is actually a core exercise. So make sure that your knee goes as high as you can and your elbow goes as close as you can to your knees, even if it doesn't touch the knees. Make sure that your form is perfect. The most important thing whenever you do any workout is the form. The rest, everything, how much time you do is also important, but form is the most important thing that you can pay attention to as a beginner. Next exercise which is coming up is lunges. We are going to do lunges on both the legs. So here actually I have done forward lunge because I am more comfortable with a forward lunge. You can take some time and experiment for yourself that what lunge are you comfortable with, forward or backward. No issues, you can do whichever one you are comfortable with. Nice and steady. Also, the most important thing when you're doing a lunge is that pay attention to my leg. My knee is behind my toes. So your knee should be behind your toes. That is the perfect form. That is where your thighs gets worked up and there is no extra pressure on your knees. Okay, so other leg. We're starting with lunges. Even if you feel sore, keep going, don't quit in the middle of a workout. Just a 5 minutes workout. Nice and easy lunges. The next one which is coming right up is skaters. Get ready for skaters, everyone. Okay, so when you're doing skaters, actually you're doing a curtsy lunge with a jump in between. So remember that you're actually doing a curtsy lunge. It should be the form of a curtsy lunge. Your knee should go right behind the other leg. Pay attention to the form, everyone. The next exercise which is coming is one leg hops. So what you have to do is you have to hop on your one leg while you have to bring other knee as high as you can. This will also get your core activated. One leg hop, everyone. Again, make sure you pay attention to your form. Don't get all worked up and sacrifice your form for anything. Take breaks if you need to. Yes, and you all can rest while I am doing a light jog. The next one which is coming right up is plank. So while you are doing the plank, make sure that you feel it in your core. If you feel it in your core, then your form is perfect. Don't listen to anything else. Just listen to your core. If you feel it that you're burning, then you're doing it right. And that's it, only 10 seconds. Then we will be done with the workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and we are done for the day. This workout is complete. That's it guys, we are done for the day. If you want to repeat this workout, you can. I actually repeated it thrice when I did it yesterday and I'm not even that sore. So you can if you wish to, and even if you are not feeling like repeating it, that's also okay. Bye, stay happy and healthy.